All right, guys and gals, we're doing an update on the landscaping rocks we put in to keep neighbors from driving over our sprinkler heads and our lawn. We put these in 2 years and 36 days ago, and they have stopped the problem from people driving on them. And what we did is we actually used our really good glue. Hoolio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción del video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio, Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge, Johnson, Thompson. We took these little lights and upgraded the battery in them, and those will be in the tools list as well. And they work really good, and it looks awesome at night. But people have bumped into them and have not moved those stones in any way, shape, or form. So this process does work. They've been here for quite a while now. We had one person back into it here and chipped it out. But other than that, they look awesome and they work. That's the idea. Their functionality is awesome. So I think I've said awesome enough. That's our update. And also keep your eyes on Sweet Project cars if you want to wax your car up and make it look as most beautiful it possibly can. And as we always say, Mr. Know-It-All out.